In this video, I'm going to show you a way in which you can actually earn money using what we call affiliate marketing. So that means that you are not going to be creating a product or service. And don't worry, you don't need to be creating a funnel, doing follow-ups. These guys are doing everything for you, and you can earn even $900 or even more. Yes. And you just need to get eyeballs. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can earn money online without creating a product, without creating a service, without even building a funnel, doing crazy email follow-ups. And this is something 100% legit. So now let me show you everything. Okay. The most important thing, guys, here is the strategy. Okay. I'm going to be using my favorite affiliate marketplace, which is called ClickBank. But if for whatever reason you cannot use ClickBank in your country, there are other options. Okay. Such as Digistore 24, JVZoo, Wire Plus, and others. And also you can Google like ClickBank Alternative, and there are tons. So please make sure that do not stop if you are not able for whatever reasons to use ClickBank at this very moment. As I told you, there are other alternative. Okay. So now after you create your account, you need to make sure that you're going to go to a marketplace. You're going to see that on the left side, we have different categories, okay, different ways and or different niches, people who are actually interested in the product. Okay. So for example, we have home and garden, health and fitness, fiction, games. But I'm going to go in this example and in this video, I'm going to go for the e-business and e-marketing. This is actually my favorite category because it solves a problem. And now we are going to go here where it says average conversion. Okay. And we're going to go with 500. So that means that every single time someone make a purchase, we are going to earn at least $500. And as you can see here, we have this product in which we are going to be earning $1,000. This one with John Christiani, someone really reputable, we're going to be earning $900. Okay. 900 here, 1,000 here, 500 here. Okay. So you're going to see that people are actually earning money with this, but in my case, I'm going to go with John Christiani. Why? Because he have what we call a webinar. Okay. So people go and learn here on this page. Let me show you here really fast. They're going to show here on this page, finally, beginner friendly 3-step blueprint. Okay. On how people can generate 10,000 plus per month. Okay. And on the very first month. Okay. So that means that they already built the funnel. So if someone land here, they need to put their name, their valid email address, and they're going to start watching the webinar. Okay. If they do not purchase right away, because this is something that we call high ticket commission. Okay. So they're going to be doing the follow-ups. Okay. So if someone is really interested, they are going to be doing all the work and you are going to be earning the commission. Okay. So we are going to go with this one with super affiliate system with John Christiani. Okay. You're going to get 50% of the commission. Okay. So we're going to click here where it says promote so we can go and get our tracking link. Okay. So I'm not going to go with this one that says direct to sales because what I want is I want them to see. Okay. I want them to see the webinar. I want them to do, the follow up and the sequence and everything. Okay. So I'm going to go with the one that complies, for example, with Facebook, with Google. So this is actually the registration page. I can click on this one and I can create the hub link, which is the link that I'm going to be promoting or that I'm going to be using. And if someone make the purchase, we're going to get that commission. Okay. So remember, go with the one that says registration page. Okay. Or you can also go with the quiz lender. Okay. So now we have the product that we need to promote. And one thing that I don't like about ClickBank, and I show you right away, is the fact that if we create a hot link, This link is actually really ugly. So we are going to make it look a little bit better. And with that says, we are going to be using a website that is called Cutly. Okay. It's cut with double T dot ly. Okay. Cutly. Okay. Here you're going to have something what we call a URL shortener. So that means that our website is going to look way better. And this is actually 100% free. So you're going to paste the long URL here. Okay, you're going to paste it here and you're going to click here where it says shorter. So with that said, we are going to have the funnel that they already create, the email follow-ups that they are going to be doing for us. We have a product in which we're going to be earning high ticket commissions, and we have a way in which we are going to be shortening the URL. So now we're going to need to see or to have some eyeballs. So that means that people who are interested in the product or service that we're going to be promoting. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. If you're really serious about making money online, check the very first link in the description. Also, I'm curious, do you like actually affiliate marketing, being able to promote products or service that you did not create, or do you actually prefer to create your own product or service? Let me know in the comment area. And if, by the way, at this time, you have some questions regarding this tutorial, leave it in the comment area as well. I'll be more than happy to answer them. So now let me go back to the video. So we need eyeballs. So with that, we're going to be using a website that I already mentioned in this channel, which I really like, which is called Hercules. So you're going to go to Hercules.com and they give us the opportunity to send emails to 1,000 people every single day, 100% for free. You can have as many Hercules accounts. Okay, so you can send more emails. They do have a premium service as well in which you can email more people, but it is actually okay if you decide to try Hercules with the 1,000 emails per day. Okay, it's good as a starting point. So we are going to go here where it says the ad mailer. Okay, I already have my account. Okay, this is 100% free. You can click here where it says the ad mailer, and we are going to submit our ad. Okay, you can click here to watch a video tutorial, but don't worry, it's not something crazy. Okay, remember, you need to follow the rules. They are not crazy as well. And we are going to go here where it says regular mailer. So we need to have a subject line. We need to have the URL that we're going to be promoting, and we're going to have the body. Okay, chances are that you're like, well, this is actually my very first time. I don't know how to write these emails. Okay, one thing that I like these high ticket products is that they do have an affiliate page, okay, in which you can find something that they call their email swipes. Okay, so here you're going to see that you can download their email swipes. Okay, and the only thing that you need to do is literally click here and you are going to have access to the email swipe. In this case, it's going to be a Google Doc that you literally need to copy and paste, replace the link where they told you that you need to replace the link, and that's it. You can send this using Hercules. Okay, so this is a great way, guys, in which you can actually earn money. By the way, there is another way in which we can actually promote this, another traffic source, and that one it's called Google. As you can see here, I type how to make money online, and you're going to see that this is an ad, this is an ad, this is an ad, this is an ad. And I'm pretty sure that if I scroll down, I'm going to find more ads on the next page and below. Okay, so people are actually paying for this for one reason, because people are actively looking for ways to make money online. They're actively looking for a solution. Don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to go ahead and spend on your own money. They are actually companies in which you can get coupons for free. Okay, one of them is this one that they're going to give you 500 free Google Ads credits. Okay, you're going to go and get 500 Google Ads free credit that you can use. And this company, it's called adcreative.ai. Okay, with adcreative.ai, you can use artificial intelligence to create the ads. So these are going to be really powerful. They're going to be really persuasive. They're going to be, helping people find the solution to their problem. Okay. And clicking your link. So adcreative.ai. So guys, as you notice, there are great ways in which you can actually earn money by using affiliate marketing. If you're really serious about making money online and you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, please go ahead and check the very first link in the description. Okay. If you want to keep learning, go ahead and check the very first link in the description and don't forget to watch the next video.